morning, everybody. Jared Russian Fishing back again. We are here at the fourth stop for Anvil, y'all. We're at Pendleton. We're in coal pile right now. Gonna see if we can't catch a fish on some lily pads or some rock. My main spot I wanted to go to, there's somebody sitting there, so hey, it's the breaks. But you know what? I think we can still catch them on these rocks here before the sun gets up. So we're gonna throw top water and spinnerbait at them and see what happens. I guess I'm a frog guy now. I don't know. You're a follower of this channel. You have never hardly seen me catch frogfish at all, but I'm officially a frog guy, I guess. 15 inches. Lord. Yep, if you are a follower of this channel and you haven't ever seen me catch a lot of frogfish, that right there was a good one. Oh, I put a hook set on that. Wow. That was a good fish. Dude, I put a good hook set on that one too. Dude, I drove that hook. How that something's gonna come off, I'll never know. So it makes them the 4th species I've caught today. A long nose jangalang. Yeah. Dang, that's a Kentucky. That son of a gun might be 12 inches long. That son of a gun's gonna be close. That'd be alright. I'll weigh in a 12-inch Kentucky. 11.5 inches. Okay. Ryan, your bait catches white bass. Does a really good job of it too. That sucker knocked the donkey out of it. I can't lie, boy. As soon as that one hit, I was hoping it was about a 3 or 4 pounder. Black bass, that is. Yeah, there's white bass in here. Got to be a black in it. Oh, another white. There's a bunch of whites in here. There's going to be a black. I'm just going to keep at them. That's a good looking white bass there. I might have to go through 25 of them. But if there's one black bass in here hanging out with them, and it could get real. Ryan, your bait catches the crap out of some white bass. Another white bass. He said if I gotta go through 15 of them to get a black, I will. one of these is a black. Well, final verdict, 1.79 pounds. Horrendous. Y'all saw, only had 2 bites that would have been keepers. Just the way the season is so far. On the next one, I guess. Y'all keep y'all.